The first step is to connect the PA-Soft ODB2 connector to the ODB2 port and then also to your Windows XP computer. Once the ODB2 port is correctly connected, plug in the USB and turn the key to position 2 or start the engine if you desire. Then start the PA-Soft software. After the software begins, it will prompt you to press continue. When you press continue, if everything is connected correctly, it will begin to run a scan of your car, which is happening here. The entire scan probably takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Once the scan has completed, you can click through all of the different types of modules essentially for the car. But for this programming, you click Unit at the top and then IKE. After clicking IKE, you will click Read EEPROM. After the EEPROM is done reading, you'll see a bunch of hexadecimal code. It's a very good idea in the bottom left to click Save before you start altering any of that code. The next step is to find this sequence of hexadecimal code in the 34th line. It's offset, meaning it begins on the 34th and wraps to the 35th. And here's what those things mean. I have highlighted where the desired code starts and ends. Step 5 is super easy. Change the old code to the new code shown below. When you make a change, the code will turn red before you save it. Once you are done changing the code, you have the option to save it just as you did earlier, but I would recommend saving it as a different file name. Once you press Write EEPROM, the car will begin to use the new hexadecimal code, and the thermostat will operate as shown in the next picture. This is a representation of your e46 thermostat gauge. The old numbers are shown at the bottom, while the new coded numbers are shown at the top. So essentially your buffer zone is now 90 to 100 degrees C.